Want to start selling digital products but stuck on what to sell or how to design? Let me put you on to Creative Fabrica. It's basically your all-in-one digital product toolkit. Inside, you get access to tons of design assets. We're talking fonts, SVGs, graphics, patterns, clip art, you name it. All of it comes with a commercial license, so you can legally use these files to make products and sell them. They also have built-in AI tools called Creative Spark, great for making custom designs, patterns, or even remixing images without touching Photoshop. And get this, you can even sell your own designs on their platform with no listing fees. Total win if you're just getting started. If you're serious about digital products or passive income streams, Creative Fabrica is a gold mine. Hit the link in the description to explore it.